From the superstore AG again, back to his now. I didn't hit him again. Big bass, big bluegill. Man, look at her. Eddie Gates is winning on his job fishing again. I had some fun, I'm telling you. Fishing is back again, y'all. As long as that water stay cool and clean, we can catch these good old cool fishes again. From that Superstar EJ, I made some nice size bluegills too. Check them. No small ones. Big ones. Big ones, man. I mean, kind of like little monkeys or something, little monsters or something in the face. You know what I mean? That's some big ones. That's pretty color on them. That's a good eating size. These are the size you like to eat. Ain't big like this. Still got them in there flipping. There's some nice size in there, man. Look at those